So guys, we're here at the Oak Glen Preserve and Botanical Gardens today.
How's the water flowing?
So we're here on our little walk today. I'm not sure how many miles. I think it's like 2. We do have a chance to see a black bear today. He's been seen in the area, so we're gonna keep our eyes out for that. All right, Susan and Christina. We talked to the ranger for a little bit. He was saying that it's been pretty good here. Not too much damage. Bear Paw's reopened, which we're going to probably at some point go back out to Bear Paw. Okay guys, I'm going to take off the main trail for a bit. I'm going to do the Conifers of California. It's a small little offshoot trail. It goes back to the main trail just a little ways down, which are pretty cool. This is just a little offshoot trail of the main trail. The Oak Glen Preserve is a very nice little place for bringing the family. There's picnic tables, there's apple picking during apple season. We have there's a barbecue place down in the farm. But this is a nice little trail. Susan and Christina right down there. This is just, like I said, a little offshoot trail. You can enjoy the trees. The first view of the lower pond here at Oak Glen. Some really big catfish in that lake or pond. Here is the pond. It's pretty clear today. No fishing here, guys, so not sure exactly where Christina and Susan are. Either behind me or in front of me. But I'll get up here to the here. I don't see the catfish today, but there are a couple bass in here. There's couple little ones right there, and there's a couple little ones right here. We have some kind of waterfowl. Not sure the name of it, but I can find out. Okay guys, we're gonna head off on the main trail now. I'm not sure how far it is. It's a mile to the park. So it's probably a 2-mile loop. What's nice is this place is pretty close to town, so it's easy to get to. Very family friendly. A couple steep parts on this trail, but here's my favorite part of this trail. Got this nice little stream here. And you come over here and you grab this little bucket. Oh. Come down here and you get some water in the bucket. Which leaks like a sieve. And then you come over here and you water this little tree right here. When they started watering this tree, it was just a twig. Now look at it. Something to do for the kids. Can help water the trees. Okay guys, we're dropping out of the trees now. You can see the trees are behind us. This is where the last bear sighting was down here. So might get lucky. Some wild apple trees. We're entering a restoration area. Oh, and these are choke cherries. And here's where the Chaparral Trail comes back onto the main trail. We're at the reflection pond, and it's actually full. And this is where the last reported bear sighting was. We've never seen the pond this full. Some little fish in it. Okay guys, we're a mile in and this is the park. It's a good little place to rest. Got some really nice trees. And the road's right there, so if you need to bail out, you can just go right out here to the main road and then have your ride come pick you up. We're heading back up. We're gonna go up to the next park. But this is a nice place to hang out, relax, maybe picnic. Okay, here's where we start the uphill section of this hike. Stream's right down there. It's running pretty good. It's always nice to see steps on a trail. Choke cherries are in bloom, but no cherries. Okay guys, we're at the end of the actual trail part of the hike. And we're coming up into the park. It's a nice little park. I just noticed on the sign they don't allow picnicking here anymore because of the falling branches. But yeah, this is the end of the hike right here. I've seen they've removed all the picnic tables. can hear the woodpeckers. Look at the size of this dandelion. That is huge. Okay, we are now back in the parking lot. And there's the Wildlands Conservancy building. There's a little information center in there.